Healthbreak is sponsored by Mission Health.
Orthopedic surgeons at Mission Health have long offered advanced partial and total knee replacement surgeries. Now, Dr. Myron Smith says robotic technology is improving these procedures even more.
It sounds funny. It's not like a robot standing there doing the surgery. It's a really fancy saw, but it's guided by information we collect during the surgery to help balance the knee. It gives us slightly more precise cuts. The benefits are it doesn't swell as much, it doesn't hurt quite as much, so you potentially could recover a little faster. We also have a great team that we've put together for our joint replacement program that walks you through the process, arranges all the modalities and services you'll need afterwards ahead of time, and follows you through. Nearly half of my patients who have a complete knee replacement go home the same day. The partial knee replacements almost all go home the same day.
To learn more, go to missionhealth.org/healthbreak.